Oh, Rossi's made a mistake. What's happened to Valentino Rossi? He's got a problem. Rossi's got a problem. He's got a mechanical disaster for Rossi. What a nightmare for the Italian Rossi.